Okay, so now we're up to day 14. Day 11.2 has been the best incense that we've had so far, with 2 shinies, 2 Galarian birds that we've seen in that one trip alone. So, going off the advice of some comments and of course some theories that some of us might have heard, that there's a high chance that birds could spawn on routes and in the same locations, we're going to try our best to replicate that particular incense, not only just today but probably for as many times as I can, because I need all the chances that I can get. So as usual, we're going to go ahead, start off with our star piece, our lucky egg, royal time for 48 minutes, start a route as well, and we'll crack our incense. And our first encounter is going to be a Pikachu, Mankey, Gulpin, Patrat, Basculin, Fungus, another Fungus, Grubbin, Litleo, Paras, Fungus, Kamala, Meowth, Emolga, Bellsprout. And there's myself for the day, Togedemaru, Deerling, Stunky, Fluffy. Right, here's the first location that I got the bird on, day 11.2, and today the bird is a sheep, Mareep, Oddish, Zangoose, Barboach, Carablast, Bellsprout. Oh, I didn't even look at it, it was a shiny. There we go, pretty cool. So there's today's shiny on video. I very much doubt it's going to be a decent IV. Yup, Ghastly, Noibat, 2 routes, 2 cells, Magnemite, Dunsparce, Pansage, Squovit, Clauncher, Wingull, Starly, Tiny One, Jigglypuff, Phantump, Togedemaru, Seawaddle, Bellsprout, another Bellsprout, Emolga, Bulbasaur, Gulpin, Cutiefly, Mareep, Magikarp, Lillipup. 3rd route, 3rd cell. That rarely ever happens. Togedemaru, Mankey, Grubbin, Bellsprout, Emolga, Roselia, Ponyta, Pawmi, Nidoran, Meowth, Lillipup, Wimpod, Basculin, Drillbur, Wimple, Emolga, Pumpkaboo, Grubbin, Togedemaru, Baneri, Emolga, Gulpin. Okay, and that's going to be the end of the last route on this route. So we carry on routeless. Ghastly, Sandygast, Gulpin, and Paras, Mankey, and roll of time's all done. 15 minutes to go. Scorpy. I distinctly remember getting a Scorpy in this exact position before. Wailmer, Pumpkaboo, Baneri, Wooper, Sork, Dedenne, Wimple, Squovit, Tiny One, Squovit again. Oh no, Emolga, Sobble, haven't seen that in a quick minute. Meowth, Cutiefly, Oricorio, Ponyta, Chomeko, Rattata, Scyther, Stuntler, not too long now, and this one's going to be having bells around its neck, unless they've thought of some other costume to put on it this year. Furfrou, Oshawott, just under 2 minutes to go now. Magnemite, we're now approaching the last spot that I got to spawn, and it looks like today's spawn is a Magnemite, so I'm pretty sure that's going to be it. We've got 3, 2, 1, and that's it. That's all of today's spawns. Day 14's done. Well, we're going to keep it going a few more days on the exact same track. Probably try it out for the next 2 weeks. See what happens. See if we can get another bird on any sort of similar areas to where we saw them the last time. Try and give ourselves the best chance possible going off certain theories floating around the web. But as always, team, thank you for watching, and let's keep it going. I appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next one.